Our existence over Earth are like the ocean. Many lives, many waves, more lives, many currents. And we are supposed to go inside ourselves. Because in the same way that we have the dark screen, by desire, we we decide to have a lighted screen to see our own sun. We need to be busy discovering our universe. That is to be in tune with Mother Earth, no matter what she is going to do and how it's going to react in this moment. We need to be in tune with ourselves, going to the beginning of ourselves, the total silence